everyone. I just want to say the video. Hi everyone, hi everyone. As you can see, oh my gosh, what's wrong with you? It's not tapping the camera. Happy weekend, everyone. Happy weekend. We need to talk. We need to talk. We need to talk. We need to talk. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this video? I can't really tell. Can't really tell what's wrong with it. Welcome, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this is the time I have anyway. Today is weekend. We just need to talk. So, as I was scrolling on Facebook, I can't see one video. So, what I see for the video, now one comedian put the video, say she dey advise our fellow ladies, of which say we all na ladies, understand? And I notice say if Naija women wan advise person, na where dem know reach na dem fit advise you. So I come dey watch the video, I come dey hear something like, if you be 30 to 40 years, you never see husband, so wetin you go do? Make you just go get belle and born. Come say, really? The thing dey happen like this? If you be 30, 40, you never see pikin born, sorry, you never see husband, make you just go get belle. For who? Who go come carry that belle? Who go come be the papa of the pikin? I come dey imagine say, which kind talk be this for this 2019? They advise women say if dem no fit see husband, make dem go get belle, make dem born. I come dey imagine say, okay, wetin come do one woman wey be say she no go see husband, instead she go carry belle born? I come say, no wonder wey be say you see this one with pikin, see this one with pikin, see a lot of women with children dey struggle alone. This one na the third generation of single mother for we black women. We don turn single mother like say na normal thing. For me, e no normal. Generations wey create say pikin na man and woman dey train am, dem no be fool. For all race, when e go come to white, come to Latino, come to Chinese, come to Asia people, na man and woman na im dey train children. You see Chinese man, e no get as e go work reach, e get im children. You go see Latino man, e no get as e go work, e get im children. You go see some responsible man, e no get as e go work, e get im children. Most men, dem no want make woman born for dem anyhow. Dem no fit participate in the life of their children. So, inside the message, we come dey hear something like, if you born, the pikin na your joy, the pikin na, e go make you happy. Why we no dey advise women to create their own joy, to know who you are, build yourself up, be happy, before you dey wait for one pikin wey you wan born to come make you happy? When e call you mama, you go be the most happiest woman. They don use this talk take deceive so many women. This talk, e don break so many women destiny for this world today, especially black women. Na some of them, because of this advice wey no make sense, na dem dey purposely dey sign into single mother. Most of our men, dem no dey see young boy for inside again. Dem no dey see again. This one go born for am, the other one go born for am, the other one go born for am. If disease dey na so dey still dey share am. If you dey talk about sickness, most of our men, sickness full everywhere. Sickness everywhere. They see am, this one get sickness, the other one get sickness. There are men dey transfer sickness everywhere because of why? Single mother. Single mother na dey cause all this thing. Because free women dey everywhere. The ones wey ready to born for free, the one wey ready, wey no even mind, e dey everywhere. Life no fit be like this. People wey create say marriage, dem no be fool. But e come happen say because of some of our preaching, most women dem no dey respect marriage again. Most women dem no dey respect people marriage. Because if you see most of this cheating and marriages, na another woman na im dey follow man dey cheat, and man dey follow women dey cheat. Na im make the whole generation change somehow. And most of us wey dey preach this preaching so, we see say most of our mothers, our grandmothers, they were single mother. Some of their husband dey there, but e be like who no dey. Partially, directly or indirectly, many of them are single mothers. That thing come pass to the next generation of some of our mothers. Most of our mothers for Africa, na dem go pound yam, na dem go cook, dem go do man work, dem go do woman work. Some of these women, they come be like man. The way when they talk, the way when they do things, the way when everything. This thing come put some men off because they no dey romantic, they no dey sexy, they no dey look them as woman again. Most men sef dey look their wife like man. You understand me? Na there you come say some men come dey put leg everywhere, they carry different women, they come house. These women, they no get choice because they no get their self-esteem intact. They no get self-worth for themselves. They look themselves like say they worth nothing because of the struggle when they put themselves. They come born that generation of the men where they train that time. Most single mother, na you train most of these Nigerian men wey we dey see for internet. They misbehave and also they pregnate different women around because they no value marriage. They don't know wetin be marriage. They never encounter marriage before. Now Ziggy-Zaga marriage, many of them, they see say their father dey with their mother, so they no value marriage. Most women, they can't carry themselves like a sacrificial lamb. Say they want pregnant for everybody wey they see for road. Most men, they can't take and say they can pregnate any woman and not take responsibility, no accountability, nothing. Just pregnate them and they look for the next woman to pregnate. And many women can't open their womb down, make people they pregnate them anyhow. Because of some of all these messages when we dey pass. We think say na advice we dey advise women, but this one for me not be advice. You understand me? Not be advice. Advice when be say many men disagree with. How can somebody you know ask the woman when you say he call you say he not see husband, what are you not doing properly in your life? Wetin you know they do properly? How you can level up? Because if a woman level up, she better herself. Now you will always attract a good man. You will always attract a better man. Most of the women when don't make mistake and all, most of us we dey in a situation where we say we don't know who we really be. Many ladies, they don't know who they are when they make all this mistake. Some enter baby mama 1, baby mama 2, baby mama 3 because they find themselves to be useless and of no use. They put themselves for where man fit make use of them anyhow. Many of them get low self-worth. They don't know who they really are, what they possess, the destiny when many of them carry. They allow bunch of children and bunch of sick baby mamas come around and destroy them. Sorry, men destroy them. Okay, this one now, when we talk now, say this woman not see husband now, he carry Kevin born for her. The other woman not see husband now, he carry another man born for her. Any man wey no dey fit dey do baby mamas, baby daddy everywhere, he cannot be focused in life to take care of those children. History don even talk am. I dey talk by history. Everything wey I dey talk, e go by history, because a lot of nonsense dey go around for our community. Na cycle by cycle, generation to generation. If we no start to dey break the generational curse, no be curse, generational behavior, habit or culture, when we come turn into culture, e go continue to dey go. Wetin be say e no dey favour us. Some of them, you go see women, they go back baby for back, they go carry wood only dem. Some women, na dem go go pick pikin for school, na dem go come cook, na dem go come do a lot of things. Before 45, 40, 50, dem don dey get diabetes, dem don dey get rheumatism, dem don dey get different sickness because of stress. A woman is supposed to be a woman. A woman wey know himself should be able to package herself, better herself, do well for herself, create happiness for herself. Then a man wey really still ready for life, package herself, go locate am. You are not in any position to be looking for man around in the street, or put for people hand make dem find husband for you. If you are the real candidate, you really better yourself, you really make yourself the best, man go dey find you. If you like, get 10 children, men will want to wife you. And you still be woman wey close your leg bang bang bang. You no dey allow broke men, dusty men, men wey no get life, men wey no get future, wey no get life, dey come your house or dey come your life. You no go fall into all these things. You no go fall into man say na you wan come dey get pregnant for free for one man. Every woman wey the universe place for this world, e have a purpose in the life of every man. There is a purpose why you are here. You as a woman, you are not created to be a baby mama, to be having babies that you cannot take care of. This deceive, na dey take deceive most of our women. No worry, even though say you no get money, God go take care of the pikin. How many times una don see God don come buy baby food give person wey e born? If no be so after some people don dey miserable, they go come see who help them. So no go see, some go suffer, die inside the suffer. Many women they inspire to marry today for Nigeria. But some of the marriage, yes, some men even ready to pregnate you. The next minute they will run into thin hair. You no go see them again. Why? Because na the men wey we breed, the mentality wey we breed into this men, that we are not worth marriage. We make them know with all this message, say we are not worth marrying as a woman. We are worth pregnating, which is equal to that thing when they call gbiagia. That is what it is. Imagine if Kevin pregnate you now. The other one come pregnate you. The other one come pregnate you. How are you going to cope? No marriage. No. When any man don't find you desire to marry you, why? Go and better yourself as a woman. I dey tell you, go better yourself as a woman. If you better yourself as a woman, that happiness that you are thinking that you will find from a child, because your children is not your property. Or that many say, we African women, we dey try to make children our property, but no be our property. No be our property. Many of our boys today, they look down on so many women, on so many mothers. They get bad behavior today because of the way they were raised. The see finish enter, no one respect their mother. And when a man don't respect his mother, he will not respect any woman. That is why you as a woman, you cannot train a child alone, even if it is one child. All those deceiving condition where they condition so many women. Say, no problem, you know me, you feel born, you feel take, only you one can take off a child. No, a woman cannot take care of a child alone. If it happens because of, say, okay, the man not there, but it not be normal thing wey supposed to happen. That is why you see European law dey wey enforce a man to take care of his child. Europe, you see, some law dey the country where they 15 days, 15 days. The man will come carry pikin 15 days, the woman will carry pikin 15 days in case of divorce. And that is why you see so many men that they push baby carrot, they go for street. They care for their children. That moment, even though it's not 1 hour they take with their children, those boys will sink the energy of a man into themselves. Those fathers, one of the sisters, they push carrot, not be the ones who are not ready. You see, they teach their children how to be a man. They teach their children, they correct them when they are making mistake. Imagine how a woman will come to teach man how to be a man. That is why you see many men today are so feminine. They very feminine because now woman train them. They absorb so much women energy. We African women, we think say baby children na our property. Nobody go fit drag am with us na our property. Immediately we have child, and if the papa call e no come, e no mean. That mentality, e no make sense. Na deceive, they take am deceive una. And una see the whole years now, it is baby mama everywhere. Even some women go dey their husband house, other women go born for their husband. No respect. We don't respect marriage even to our women. And the men know that we don't respect marriage. That is why they will come around and use us against our fellow women. That is why we need to stop all this message of if you can born. If you are 30, you are 40, it is not the end of the world. A woman of 56 years just born here the other time. No be say she not get money. She was a nurse in the hospital where she for the see people they born millions of children every day. She work and took a semi-pension and have a baby at the right time. Even you never born, no be big deal. Work on yourself. Man never come. You dey find man. How can a woman put for a man saying they find man? You can need a man, say maybe you want to marry. Yes, better yourself and see if you no go see man. Gallant yourself and see if you no go see man. If you no go school, go take education. If you don't have work, go and look for skills, something to do. Don't spend all your time every day. They think say you dey find mama no come. They think every minute a bad weather man will come, one no go come. When you stop to find love, love will find you. The moment you stop looking for love, that is when you will see say love will find you. But you see people when they look for love, especially women, I dey talk so. They tell people, help me look for man, help me look for man. You see, why you people feel settle you up with man, steal from you, scam you, do you a lot of things. Your best friend fit tell a brother or a brother friend say, see, you get money. See, a lot of things they happen today out of desperation when many women get. Instead of you to calm down, you will be looking for man, they look for husband. You as a woman, you are not supposed to look for husband. No woman why I know when they look for husband, and man they look for woman. But we turn our society around to the essence say man no dey look for many again. Man no dey take man as say one pikin. You know how desirable it is for a man to tell you to have his baby. A man with integrity, a man that is ready to have a family. Not be the baby wey you force for a neck. But nowadays, you see this one go born, this one go born, this one will have baby everywhere. Those men abandon those baby because they feel frustrated too. Most of them don't ask for the baby, and most of them they don't come out from the circle of baby, abandoning children. They don't take care of their children because we women say we look as a normal thing. Many say many cannot even hold the men accountable. But you are doing a big damage to your child at the end of the day. That child, even those una they raise them, una cut una hand, cook una hand for pot, give them, do everything. These children, most of them despise most of you single mothers. They despise una, they hate una. That is why they carry that hate to their own child. sorry, to their own child, yeah, some of them to their own women for house. When woman talk to them, they don't obey. When woman talk, try to correct them, they don't obey because they have seen their mother correcting them so millions of times. Where their father is not there with a man voice to talk to a man. They say if a man talk to a man will understand. But no, we take children as our property, African women. You will get belle, man will tell you say no need the pikin. You will say, abeg they go, that idiot, I will born the pikin by myself. Why? Why can't you prevent yourself from unwanted pregnancy instead of damaging yourself? You see beautiful girls, they will allow man to come into their life and scatter their life. At the end, they cannot even put their life back. They will still continue making the same mistake. You see many of our women, they behave like man today because a woman, when they pay rent by herself, she dey feed herself, she dey do everything, they take care of bunch of children. Which respect she want to give you as a man? And you see many of all these men come around to try to mess up with her. And you need respect. That woman cannot respect you not until you earn that respect from her. That is what you are seeing today. A lot of women are angry. A lot of women have been put in a situation that they never expected. Some expected to be a single mother, but because they think it will be easy for them. They were thinking it is going to be easy. They will just born. But a child take a lot of money, take a lot of time. That is why you need two people, even not even two people. It takes a community to raise a child, a whole community. That is now so it be for Nigeria that time. Then when person see your pikin for you, go call you say, I see your pikin for the play ball for them. I see your pikin they do this one. The people will talk to you. People will correct your child for you. But nowadays, if your friend even tell your pikin say, see what they do no good, you will go and carry the verse for her. You dey carry your face up and down like say you swallow snake. Because for una mind, una think say pikin na una property. Nobody can correct them. Nobody can talk to them. No, na property. The father no need am. Let him go. It's your property now. Some of you will refuse to get married, and you will see better man that will help you to train your children and will be there for you, show you love, show you respect, everything. You will say no. You will be angry, carry your angriness for the rest of your life. I don't put padlock for there. You dey follow those women that are living in bondage. Instead of you, when you break up, you see say it is over completely. You put your life on track again. Attract a better man and move on with your life. Instead, no, you will start doing everything a man is supposed to do, working like a man, doing everything. At the end, you go dey behave like a man, you go dey dance like a man for public, you go dey talk like a man for public because you don't already masculate yourself. You don't already masculate yourself. I want to use this video to advise our young girls. Never you get pregnant for a man that is not going to claim you as a wife. Never. Don't intentionally get pregnant for a man that cannot wife you. Because you're there, your own, that your breast when it stand, your body when it fine. Don't destroy it for a man that cannot put you in his house, under his own roof. Wife you, pay bills, take care of you and your child. Don't do it. It is not worth it at all. Some women don't born for useless men around. The time when they'll take find better man, they don't even get to born for the man again. They don't get to born for the man. Some don't show free love to some men and they abuse the love. They don't even get love to show, give man that really love them anymore. Is that right? That is why we have to wake up from this slumber when we dey so. We think say na normal thing, we fit born, we fit do this one. No care, no concern me. fit born na, why not? Dat person no go born. Yes, fit dey look am like dat say na normal thing, but e no normal, my dear. It's not normal. No let anybody advise you, my beautiful ladies. If you cannot see husband born, my dear, don't be so. If you cannot see husband born all day at all, you no be free property. You no be free property at all. Wey be say man no fit wife you, you go destroy your womb. You go destroy your body wey fine. Your lepa body wey be say another man go cherish, love, respect. You come destroy am for one man wey be say you wan come knack you wrong. You come destroy am for person wey dem dey call FUCK boy. You destroy yourself for fuck boys. When you know say you fit keep yourself for husband, man wey go marry you. People wey dey talk say man no dey, better man no dey, leave them make dem dey talk. Better men dey. It depends how you take package yourself. You get ready yourself for life. Na wetin you be you go attract. Most women wey make mistake na because of low self-esteem, all this video wey dem dey lis ten to. Men dey, if you like, you born 20. If man dey attracted to you, he love you, you get the qualities wey he need, he dey wife you. But if you come run pass your shadow, go get belle for fuck boys wey you suppose to see for road, if they greet you sef, you do like say you no see them. You go born their pikin. My dear, if na laziness that man get, if na sickness he get, if na poverty he get, he no dey like to work. That you know say poverty, na I tell una, no be only person poor, na mental something. Person wey dey poverty. If na gambler the man be, if the man no responsible, those blood go still follow the child wey you wan get. Imagine you as a single mother come dey train the child of that type of man. If na 5 baby mama the man get, or e don already show say no responsible, those behavior e go follow the child. That is why you have to look who you dey born for. You have to know who you are having his babies. Because a responsible man will never abandon their child. We never want to get you pregnant and not taking care of the baby. And when you are with a responsible man, if you know yourself as a woman, you no go like to just knack the man bam, get belle, go stay say you no want. You will love the man's quality, you will love his integrity, you will love the way he play with you, pamper you, he do things for you, he put you first in everything you do. You will not want to leave that type of man if you be get when be say he head correct. Because I know say some women, their brain not correct. Even though say they see that nice man, everything complete, they will not even know how to identify it. That is why I said, instead of us advising women to get pregnant for free, they should go and work on themselves. Package yourself. Sit down, write the type of man wey you want for your life. Start to think accordingly to what you need. Not be those, the couple, you see husband. What is wrong with you that you cannot find a man? Me wey get 4 children, I no dey rest. I no dey rest. No talk of say you wey be single girl. Na because you no arrange yourself well. The circle wey you dey move with, if you dey that kind of situation, change it completely. People that have mentality of giving themselves for free, giving them their body, their self for free, stay away from them. People that don't have self-worth, that don't have a high esteem, that don't know what they want, stay away from those circles. People that don't strive for success, people that are not happy, that don't want to be successful, people that when be say they dey in a situation, they don't already block the way say na so their life come reach. Stay away from them and see how your life will go. People that are still running after dusty and broke men. If you see many baby daddy today, they are broke. They are broke. A man that have nothing to lose is a man that will pregnate you anyhow. A man that have integrity, have something to lose, whether financially, socially, whatsoever, will not go around pregnating a woman. A man that have shame will not have five, six baby mama. Only somebody that can do that is a man that have no shame. He have no dignity. He have no integrity. He doesn't stay accountable for his heart or how he behave. Those are people that can stay with so many baby mama and they feel proud about it. That is why that message for me is very wrong. I cannot grow my daughter now. She's 16. I'll tell her, oh baby, when you grow, you're going to get pregnant for a man for free of charge. That is a big joke. It's a joke. Or I will tell my son, you can go around having unprotected sex if you want, and then multiple women can have a baby for you. Babies that you cannot see for a good 1 year, babies that you cannot see for the rest of your life. You can live a disastrous life. That is a very wrong message. That narrative will need to be corrected. It need to be corrected by black women. We should stop it for once and for all. And let us close our leg and build our men up. All these dusties that you people are messing around with children everywhere without no responsible mentor father to train your children for you. You've messed all the men up because what a woman is now waiting the men still be. Waiting may be for society. Now so the women will still be. Okay? So I don't want to make this video too long. I will cut out. I think I will do this. I will do the part 2. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay? I think it's 30 minutes now, and I will cut it and make the part 2 because I have a lot to say about the situation and about this behavior. Okay? Bye bye, everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the like button on this video. If you don't like this video, bye bye. There are other videos you can watch. Okay? This is my channel today. It's really, 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 really.